square 30x y square 57x cube y. Determine whether each number is prime or composite. If the numbers is composite, find its prime factorization. (3485). So for 34 we can do the prime factorization in form of 2 and 17. For 85 we can do 5 into 17. So the greatest common factor is 17 here. So the GCF of 34 and 85 is 17. Like for 14p4q is equal to 2 into 7 into p into p into p into p into q, and for 35pq3 5 into 7 into p into q into q into q. So the greatest common factor is 7 here for numbers, and for the this p 4 times and q single time. Here p is single, q is 3 times, so p and q are common. So here 7pq is the greatest common factor of these numbers. Like for 15x square 3 into 5 into x into x, 30xy square 2 into 3 into 5 into x into y into y, 57x cube y 3 into 19 into x into x into x into y. So the GCF of these three numbers here, 3 is the largest common factor in three numbers, and also for x, here x is 2 times single 3, so x is single time common in three numbers, and y is not present here. So here the GCF of 15x square 30xy square 57x cube y is equal to 3x. Now 145 is composite because 145 is equal to 5 into 29. 113 is a prime number. Here 113 is the prime number. The area of rectangle is the product of two factors 124 are 124, 262, 431. Therefore the possible dimensions of rectangles are 124, 262, 431. Here 24 is by mistake, this will be 1 and 124 here, so you can point out this number 24 here. This is not 24, this will be 124, 1 into 124. We will identify primes and composite numbers and represent the prime factorization of composite numbers. Write each number as the product of two whole numbers in as many ways as possible. Like 16, 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Same for 60 you can do, for 36 you can do same. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly two positive factors, 1 and itself. 3 is a prime number because its only positive factors are 1 and 3. A composite number is a whole number that has more than two positive factors. 6 is a composite number because it has more than two positive factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. A composite number can be written as the product of its prime factors. This is called the prime factorization of the number. You can use a factor tree to find the prime factors of a composite number. What is it called when a composite number is written as the product of its prime factors? Which shows an example of prime factorization: 3 into 3 into 5 into 2, 10 into 3 into 5. Here 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 2 is prime number, so this is the method of prime factorization. But 10 is not a prime number, this is a composite number, so A will be the correct example of prime factorization. Tell me the